Now come to the exercise of chapter first, that is in each of the following question choose the missing number to complete the series. That means in the given question some kind of a series or maybe a pattern is going on. We have to follow that particular pattern. On the basis of that pattern we'll have to find out what will come at the place of question mark. Now first observe the question, what is mentioned over there, that is 1, 3, 6 and 10 and question mark. That means a kind of pattern is going on, that 1 became 3, 3 became 6, 6 became 10 and 10 became what. So we have to find out the pattern. So it is a simple series. If you will see that how 1, it is 1. Now how 1 became 3, if you distribute this 3 into 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Again if you distribute to 6, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will be 6. Similarly if you distribute the 10, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it will be 10. So what will be the next number? It will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what will be the answer? The sum of all this number with it will be 15. This will be the answer for question number first. Now question number second is a quite easy series, that is 3, 9, 27, 81. What comes at the place of question mark? As we all know, in the given question they all are is the multiple of, you know, that 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are, sorry, 3 threes are, yes, again cube of 3. Now again if you multiply 3 into 3 into 3, again 3, it will be 81. So what will be the next number? It will again a multiple of 3. So it will be, how much it will be? It will be 3 and 243. It will be the answer for the given question. Now come to the next question, that is 259 question mark 2027. Now how 2 became 5 and how 5 became 9, and the series is going on. We have to find out what comes at the place of question mark. First observe the series, what is going on in the series. If you mention there, if you observe, sorry, if you observe there, you will find out the gap between 2 and 5 is 3. And what is the gap between 5 and 9? That is 4. So we can put the logic that a number is increasing. In the increasing order is the addition of the given series. See, what should be the difference between 9 and the next number? It should be 5. If you are getting the difference of 5, so what will be the number? It will be 14. Similarly, what will be the next difference to the 14 and 20? It should be 6. It's and the difference between 20 and 27, it is 7. So yes, our logic is right, that is the answer will be 14, because the difference between all the given numbers are in the number series, that is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and so on. Now come to the next question. In this question given 4, 6, 9, 13 and half question mark. Now we have to understand what comes at the place of question mark. Now if any question containing mixed fraction or maybe a fraction, and the numbers are number are also, so in that kind of a series always try to put your logic that some kind of a fraction may be multiple or maybe in the form of divide will be the logic for the given series. Now what is the logic is going on in this particular question? We'll see that. Now how 4 became 6? If you multiply 4 3 by 2, so what will become it? It will become 2, it will be cancel out, will be 2 times, so it became 6. Now if you are multiplying 6 by 3 by 2, so it will be 3 into 3 9. If you multiply 9 with 3 by 2, so it will become 27 by 2. Similarly 27, if you make the mixed fraction of 27 by 2, it will become 13 and a half. So what is the next number? Simply we'll get next number by multiplying 3 by 2. So it will be what? 27 into it will be 81 by 4. This will be the answer for the given question. Now come to the next question, that is Now this few numbers are given in a box, and we have to put the same logic which is going on in the given question. First observe all the numbers and what kind of a relationship we can maintain between all these numbers. It is a quite easy question. If you will observe that here in the first row we have 1 half and 3 by 2. It is simply we can say that the last one is the addition of first two column. That means 1, if you add 1 plus half, so it will be, how much it will be? It will be 3 by 2. Similarly, if you will add 2 plus 2 by 3, so it will be 8 by 3. Similarly, what we'll have to do for the answer? It will be simply 3 plus 3 by 4. So it will be 15 by 4. This will be the answer.